I bought these letters. They're quite large. So that gives you an idea. I'm sitting on the floor. And I got them from Hobby Lobby, which we don't have in Canada. And I have to say, I could become quite addicted to that store. It was pretty awesome. And my plan is to patina them and make them look like like metal. And I'm going to, like painted metal, but with rust coming through. And I'm going to hang that above the door. So Donnelly is my married name. And I just thought it would be kind of a cool feature on that wall. Start first just giving these a light sanding with 120 grit, so that if there's any, like, I actually got a splinter already because there is some rough edges, so get those a bit smoother and then start the paint process. I'm going to do primer by Rustoleum. I think one coat will probably be enough. Okay, so as you can see, I have my D upside down. I'm going to actually put all of my letters upside down. And I'm going to start with... The colors will be layered from bottom to top in Vintage Duck Egg, In the Gulf, and then Gravel Road. So what I've done is I'm layering the paint. So I've done the Vintage Duck Egg. And now, anyways, I take a spray bottle and I give it a spritz and I just allow the paint to do its work and drip down. So that is my process for getting this look. Once I add the Gravel Road and the rusted paint, I will show some more. The process has begun. Okay, so now what I've done is I've turned them all the right way up and I'm adding the Gravel Road on top and I'm allowing it to drip this way. Because the desired effect I want is I want to add the the iron or the copper paint on top of the dark color and allow it to rust up and patina to make it look as though water has been kind of coming down on this sign from the top and causing the rust to drip down. Don't know if that makes sense. You can see some of the primer coming through. I don't want to do a true second coat. I kind of like that, but some spots it's a little bit too much. So I'm just kind of dry brushing with the Gravel Road over top of these whitish areas. I'm not putting the paint on heavy. I'm just trying to blend it in better. This is the iron, which is like a dark gunmetal gray. You want to give it a really good shake because all of the metal particles sink to the bottom. Once you're done shaking the bejesus out of it, you then give it a really good stir and make sure that we get those metal particles brought up to being mixed throughout the paint composition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start layering this on and I want to kind of give it a dripped effect. So for my second coat, I will reuse my chip brush that I've wrapped up. I've got my iron paint again, and I've also got the green patina spray. So I will apply a second coat. While it's wet, I will give it a spritz with the green patina spray and then let it activate. These are ready to be hung. Take a look at that rust. I love it. And here's the end result. I am just thrilled with how it turned out and it filled this space perfectly.